This is the forest part of my biodiversity garden. The bottommost portion where water gathers up and down. So it's a moist place. Then those kind of trees I tried to plant, and many of them work very well. Particularly this teak, and then that ficus racemosus aptimara. They all do very well. This is our sacred grove. It's about 10 years old, and automatically nice species are appearing on their own because birds are coming and having habitats here. So this is one portion, nice portion of the garden. Very high vertical spaces are there, and this is where the civet cats and one species of that hornbill, also black color hornbill of Bangalore, is settled here. Some 40-50 species of birds are there.